Tracy and Midge here from Happening Hounds. We are going to have a look at this pet ramp that we were gifted by the brand Zentavo. So Midge wants to say thank you to Zentavo for gifting this to her. She likes being able to get on our bed at night, and this is a good way for you to get on the bed, right, Midgie? So first of all, this is how it comes, nicely packaged up, one box. Looks like it's going to be fairly easy to assemble because the length of the ramp is sort of the length of this box. It is fairly heavy, 23.1 pounds. So there you go. That's what it weighs when it comes. But let's get into this. Okay, and there we have it. It is all very easy to sew. It was just, it lies flat like this. There is a little safety pull that will lock it into place to keep it flat, so for when you're carrying it around. But once you release that, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 levels for this. Right now I just have it in level 3, and then you have the safety rails. So you put one on the end here if you are using them. And they can go either side depending on where you have the ramp. So it's got the slots on the other side as well, so they can go to either side. And there you have it. It is a great ramp. I'm going to show you here. It will hold up to 200 pounds or so. I'm 135 pounds. I'm on here, no problem. It will hold my weight, so it's going to hold your dog's weight. This is great for small dogs or senior dogs. A couple things I love about it. It is the wood. It's made with actual wood, and I love this natural wood finish for this one. Then it has this PVC material for the actual ramp that the dog is going to be walking on. And it is like it's a grid-like texture, so it's grippy for their paws. They will not slip around. And it is an indoor-outdoor material, so super easy to wipe clean. So if they've got muddy paws or whatever, you can just easily wipe this down and keep it nice and clean. So and there you have it. Now I am just going to show you how easy it is to get your dog to use it, because dogs with anything new like this, they're a little bit hesitant to use them the first time, but you just need to entice them with a couple of treats and they will have no problem using the ramp. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to move it down here so Midge has room to get on it. And let's give her, there we go. There we go. As you can see, no problem. She will walk all the way up to the top of the ramp. So that's all that it takes to teach your dog how to use the ramp. So just want to send a shout out to the brand Zentavo. Midge and I are super grateful for this ramp. She will be using it in our bedroom. Thanks so much.